based in New Zealand. We sell our machines all around the world, predominantly in the US and the UK, as well as here in New Zealand. We build a range of equipment for fencing industry, mainly machine tools for working in harder ground. I've designed in Fusion 360. I'm an end user that's wanting to make a product. Something I always struggled with was getting my designs out of Fusion to either be outsourced or to get parts cut. That's where OpenBOM's come along. Since using OpenBOM, it's made me a better CAD designer, so it's good for me to really clean my drawings up and put in there what needs to be there and nothing that shouldn't be in there. We've gone through a period in time in New Zealand where it's really hard to get staff, so we've tried to go down a less staff dependent route where we use technology a lot more. We downsized, we started outsourcing parts, stuff that anyone can do, and then we are just getting really good at the critical parts, the parts that have to be done just right. In doing that, I've stumbled across Lean, but doing Lean, you obviously need some tools to help you do that. And OpenBOM is the perfect tool to be as lean as possible. So we only order what we need. We have reduced our stock quantities massively. I used to do my bill of materials separately on a spreadsheet, but the worst thing with that is if I change my design and I forgot to put it in my spreadsheet and then we ordered it, we wouldn't necessarily get all the parts that we needed for the new design. And that was my main reason for going to OpenBOM. I suppose the hidden gems of OpenBOM is the team at OpenBOM giving you a few tips on how to do things and then showing you a system that's built into OpenBOM, which basically just cuts huge amounts of time. It's very powerful.